Welcome to Germany, a land where history meets innovation and tradition blends seamlessly with modernity. From fairy tale castles and medieval towns to cutting-edge cities and breathtaking natural wonders. Germany, one of the world's most fascinating countries, a land of innovation, history, breathtaking landscapes, and diverse cultures. From medieval castles and fairy tale villages to futuristic cities and engineering marvels, Germany is a place where the past meets the future. In this video, we will explore the geography, history, population, major cities, and the top tourist attractions that make Germany a must-visit destination. Germany's geographic landscape. Germany is located in the heart of Europe and is bordered by 9 countries: Denmark to the north, Poland and the Czech Republic to the east, Austria and Switzerland to the south, and France, Luxembourg, Belgium, and the Netherlands to the west. With a total land area of approximately 357,022 square kilometers, 137,847 square miles, Germany is the 7th largest country in Europe. The country's landscape is diverse, featuring the majestic Alps in the south, vast plains in the north, and dense forests and river valleys spread throughout the nation. The Rhine, Elbe, and Danube rivers play a crucial role in Germany's geography, economy, and history. Natural landscapes. The Bavarian Alps, a breathtaking mountain range that forms the natural border between Germany and Austria. The Rhine Valley, Germany's most scenic river valley, dotted with castles and vineyards. Truly a sight to behold. The Black Forest, a dense, mystical forest, known for its deep green landscapes, charming villages, and world-famous cuckoo clocks. The North Sea and Baltic Sea, offering stunning coastal views, sandy beaches, and lively port cities. These waters bring both serenity and adventure. Germany's population and cultural diversity. Germany is home to over 84 million people, making it the most populous country in the European Union. It is a melting pot of cultures, with a rich history of migration and integration. Religious diversity. Christianity, 50%. With magnificent cathedrals and churches, Germany's deep Christian roots are woven into its history. Islam, 6%. A growing community with beautiful mosques and cultural influences from Turkish, Arab, and South Asian immigrants. Non-religious, 40%. Many Germans identify as atheist or agnostic, especially in former East Germany. Other faiths, 4%, including Jewish, Hindu, and Buddhist communities, adding to the country's rich spiritual mosaic. Germany's major cities. Berlin, the capital of culture and history. Berlin, the beating heart of Germany, is a city that tells a story of resilience and transformation. From the scars of World War II to the fall of the Berlin Wall, Berlin stands today as a powerful symbol of unity and creativity. Munich, the city of traditions. Munich is where German traditions come to life. The world-famous Oktoberfest attracts millions, while Neuschwanstein Castle, just outside the city, looks like it was taken straight from a fairy tale. Hamburg, the gateway to the world. Germany's largest port city is a maritime masterpiece. The Elbphilharmonie is an architectural wonder, while Miniature Wonderland, the world's largest model railway, captivates visitors of all ages. So for 4, Germany's top tourist attractions. Neuschwanstein Castle, perched atop the Bavarian Alps, is one of the most photographed landmarks in the world. Built by King Ludwig II in the 19th century, it inspired Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. Its stunning towers, rising majestically against a breathtaking mountain backdrop, make it a dreamlike destination. Zugspitze, Germany's highest peak. Cable car ride to the peak, panoramic views, Standing at 2,962 meters, Zugspitze is the highest mountain in Germany. Visitors can take a thrilling cable car ride to the summit, where they can see Austria, Switzerland, and Italy, all from the same spot. The Black Forest, land of legends. Deep forest landscapes, old villages, traditional cuckoo clocks. The Black Forest, famous for its mysterious atmosphere and charming villages, is said to have inspired the fairy tales of the Brothers Grimm. Visitors can explore picturesque towns like Triberg, known for its enchanting cuckoo clocks and cascading waterfalls. Berlin, the capital of culture and history, the beating heart of Germany, is a city that tells a story of resilience and transformation. From the scars of World War II to the fall of the Berlin Wall, Berlin stands today as a symbol of unity and creativity. The Berlin Wall Memorial, a symbol of division and unity. Few structures in modern history have symbolized division as powerfully as the Berlin Wall. Built overnight on August 13, 1961, it physically and ideologically separated East and West Berlin for nearly 3 decades. After World War II, Germany was divided into 2 separate states. The Federal Republic of Germany, West Germany, shaped by democracy and capitalism, and the German Democratic Republic, East Germany, controlled by the Soviet Union. As thousands of East Germans fled to the West, seeking a better life, the communist government built the Berlin Wall to stop mass defections. Checkpoint Charlie, a famous crossing point. The wall was more than just concrete and barbed wire, it was a deadly barrier. Guard towers, floodlights, and armed border patrols made escape nearly impossible. Yet, many brave individuals attempted to cross, some, tragically, losing their lives in the process. The Berlin Wall. Falling November 9, 1989. In 1989, after years of political tension and growing protest, the world watched in awe as the Berlin Wall finally fell. Thousands of people from both sides rushed to the wall, cheering, crying, and embracing. This was history in the making. It symbolized the end of the Cold War and the long-awaited reunification of Germany. Today, the Berlin Wall Memorial stands as a powerful tribute to those who suffered under the division. The East Side Gallery, a 1.3-kilometer stretch of the original wall, has been transformed into the world's largest open-air art gallery. Its murals bursting with messages of freedom, unity, and hope. Cologne Cathedral, Germany's Gothic masterpiece. Towering over the city of Cologne, this cathedral, over 600 years in the making, is a breathtaking testament to Gothic architecture. Its twin spires pierce the sky, drawing millions of visitors each year, a true icon of faith and perseverance. The Romantic Road, a journey through time. The origins of the Romantic Road date back to the 1950s. After World War II, Germany sought to rebuild its tourism industry. To attract international visitors, especially from the United States and Britain, officials created a scenic route showcasing Germany's medieval heritage, untouched by the devastation of war. The name Romantic Road was chosen to evoke images of fairy tale landscapes, rich history, and timeless traditions. And to this day, it remains one of the most enchanting journeys through Germany. German culture, a blend of tradition and modernity. Germany's culture is a rich blend of deep-rooted traditions and modern influences. From classical music to cutting-edge technology, from medieval customs to contemporary art, Germany has shaped world history in countless ways. Festivals and traditions. Germany is home to some of the world's most famous festivals. The largest and most well-known, Oktoberfest. Held annually in Munich, this legendary festival draws millions who come to enjoy Bavarian beer, lively traditional music, and hearty food. Oktoberfest. Originating in 1810 as a royal wedding celebration, it has grown into the world's largest beer festival. Christmas markets. Dating back to the Middle Ages, Germany's Christmas markets transform cities into magical winter wonderlands, offering the warm scent of mulled wine, the sweetness of gingerbread, and the charm of handcrafted gifts. Carnival. Germany's version of Mardi Gras bursts into life with vibrant parades, elaborate costumes, and spectacular street performances, especially in Cologne and Dusseldorf. Music and art. Germany has given the world some of its greatest composers: Ludwig van Beethoven, Johann Sebastian Bach, and Richard Wagner. But music in Germany doesn't stop at classical genius. The country also dominates the electronic music scene, with Berlin standing as a global hotspot for DJs, nightlife, and unforgettable beats. Sports and leisure. Football, or soccer, is Germany's most beloved sport. The Bundesliga, Germany's top football league, is home to legendary teams like Bayern Munich and Borussia Dortmund. And let's not forget, Germany has won the FIFA World Cup 4 times, a true football powerhouse. But sports aren't everything. Germans also embrace the great outdoors. Whether it's hiking through the breathtaking Bavarian Alps, cycling through picturesque countryside, or unwinding in soothing thermal spas, there's something for everyone. German cuisine, a taste of tradition. German cuisine, hearty, flavorful, and packed with tradition. While many associate Germany with sausages and beer, its food culture is far more diverse, rich with regional specialties and time-honored recipes. Iconic German dishes. Bratwurst, one of Germany's most famous sausages. Made with pork, beef, or veal, it's best when grilled to perfection and served sizzling hot. Pretzel, Brezen, a golden brown, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside bread snack. Perfect with mustard or a creamy cheese dip. Sauerbraten, a legendary slow-cooked pot roast, marinated in vinegar and spices for days. Served with red cabbage and potato dumplings, it's a dish packed with depth and flavor. Schnitzel, crispy, golden, and utterly delicious. This breaded and fried meat cutlet, typically pork or veal, is served with a squeeze of lemon and a side of potato salad. Kartoffelsalat, German-style potato salad, varies by region. In the south, vinegar-based. In the north, creamy with mayonnaise. Either way, oh, absolutely delicious. Famous German desserts. Black Forest cake, Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte, rich chocolate layers, sweet cherries, fluffy whipped cream, and a splash of cherry brandy. Pure indulgence. Apfelstrudel, a warm, flaky apple pastry filled with cinnamon and sugar. Best served with a drizzle of vanilla sauce. Stollen, a festive Christmas fruit bread packed with nuts, dried fruits, and marzipan, then dusted with powdered sugar for that perfect winter touch. Germany, a premier tourist destination. Germany is a prominent destination for tourists worldwide, attracting millions of visitors each year. In 2023, the country recorded approximately 183.3 million tourist arrivals in travel accommodations, an impressive increase from the previous year. Source: Statista.com. This figure includes both domestic and international travelers. When focusing on international tourism, Germany welcomed around 12.4 million foreign visitors in 2020. Source: data.worldbank.org. A booming tourism sector. Tourism plays a vital role in Germany's economy. In 2019, international tourism receipts reached approximately $58.4 billion, a staggering figure. Source: macrotrends.net. However, the COVID-19 pandemic caused a sharp decline in tourist numbers in 2020 and 21. But there's good news. Recent data shows a strong recovery, with 2023 arrivals reaching 88% of 2019 levels. Travel. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse attractions, Germany continues to be a top-tier travel destination, beloved by travelers worldwide. Germany's economic landscape, a powerhouse in Europe. Germany stands as Europe's largest economy and the third largest globally, following only the United States and China. With a staggering gross domestic product, GDP, of approximately $4.186 trillion in 2023, Germany's economic strength is undeniable. GDP per capita, a sign of prosperity. On an individual level, Germany boasts a GDP per capita of around 48,545, far surpassing the global average of 10,189. This metric highlights the country's high standard of living and exceptional economic productivity. A nation built on education. Education is at the heart of German society. With a remarkable literacy rate of 19%, Germany proves its commitment to accessible and quality education for all. Manufacturing excellence, Germany's industrial backbone. Germany's economic strength is deeply rooted in its world-class manufacturing sectors. The nation is renowned for its engineering brilliance and industrial innovation. Automotive industry. Germany is practically synonymous with automotive excellence. With world-leading brands like Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz, the automotive sector plays a huge role in exports and employment. Chemical industry. As a global leader in chemical production, Germany's chemical industry is the largest in Europe, producing everything from pharmaceuticals to industrial chemicals. Machinery and equipment. Precision, innovation, excellence. Germany is a top global exporter of high-quality industrial machinery, catering to various sectors worldwide. Adolf Hitler, a brief history. Adolf Hitler remains one of the most infamous figures in world history. His rise to power, totalitarian rule, and actions during World War II changed the course of history forever. Early life. 1889-1919. Adolf Hitler was born on April 20th, 1889, in Austria. A troubled student, he later moved to Vienna to pursue a career in art, but was rejected from art school. Struggling with poverty, he developed strong nationalist and anti-Semitic beliefs during his time in Vienna. During World War I, Hitler served in the German army as a soldier and was awarded the Iron Cross for bravery. However, Germany's defeat in 1918 deeply angered him, and he blamed politicians and Jewish people for what he saw as a betrayal. Rise to power, 1919 to 1933. After World War I, Hitler joined a nationalist political group that would later become the Nazi Party. He was an excellent speaker and quickly rose to leadership, promoting extreme nationalism, anti-Semitism, and the idea of a superior Aryan race. In 1923, he attempted to overthrow the German government in the failed beer hall putsch and was imprisoned. During his time in jail, he wrote Mein Kampf, outlining his political ideology. By 1933, amid economic crisis and political instability, Hitler was appointed Chancellor of Germany. Soon after, he consolidated power, eliminated opposition, and declared himself Führer, leader, establishing a totalitarian dictatorship. World War II and the Holocaust, 1939 to 1945, Hitler's aggressive expansionist policies led to the invasion of Poland in 1939, triggering World War II. Over the next few years, Nazi Germany occupied much of Europe. Under his rule, the Holocaust took place, a genocide in which 6 million Jewish people, along with millions of others, were murdered in concentration camps. As the war turned against Germany, Allied forces pushed back. In April 1945, with Berlin under attack, Hitler retreated to his underground bunker. Death and legacy. On April 30th, 1945, as Soviet troops closed in, Hitler took his own life in his Berlin bunker. Germany surrendered soon after. His legacy is one of destruction, war, and genocide. His actions led to the deaths of millions and left Europe in ruins. Today, his regime serves as a warning of the dangers of totalitarianism and extremist ideologies. Major airports in Germany. Frankfurt Airport, FRA. As Germany's busiest airport, Frankfurt Airport serves as a major international hub, handling over 64 million passengers annually. Munich Airport, MUC. The second busiest airport in Germany, Munich Airport accommodates approximately 44 million passengers each year. A gateway to Bavaria, it offers world-class service and seamless connections. Berlin-Brandenburg Airport, BER. Serving the vibrant capital city, Berlin-Brandenburg Airport is a key gateway for both domestic and international flights, welcoming travelers from all over the world. Renowned hotels in Germany, Hotel Adlon Kempinski. This iconic luxury hotel, situated near the breathtaking Brandenburg Gate, offers opulent accommodations and exceptional service. A true gem in the heart of Berlin. Bayerischer Hof, a historic 5-star hotel nestled in the heart of Munich, known for its elegant rooms, world-class amenities, and an atmosphere of sheer sophistication. Hotel Vier Jahreszeiten. Kempinski Munich. This luxury hotel is a symbol of refinement, offering exquisite accommodations and unmatched service. Located centrally, it provides the perfect blend of elegance and convenience.